100 exotic birds representing 80 species from around the world. This is Bird Kingdom, located in the heart of the Niagara Falls Tourism District. Hi, I'm Kim McDonald. For the next few minutes, I'll take you on a one-of-a-kind adventure. We'll see exotic birds, watch bats feed, and get a cup of joe at a century-old Java house. I can't wait. Let's go. As we enter the multi-level rainforest environment, the main atrium has some spectacular features. 35-foot tall palm trees, a 40-foot waterfall, freshwater ponds, and relaxing streams. It is truly breathtaking. The wonderful thing about Bird Kingdom is it lets you get face-to-face with wildlife in a natural setting. I mean, really, where else can you do this? You can watch as they eat, bathe, fly freely, or just play. It is a place to become immersed in the music of songbirds, marvel at the nobility of the giant hornbills, and be amazed by the antics of the parrots and turacos. There are hundreds of rare creatures here that we normally would never get to see. This is also a refuge for those threatened by their habitat or are considered critically endangered in the wild. Bird Kingdom's authentic environments allow an intimate and up-close interaction between you and these free-flighted wonders of the sky. So you can see Bird Kingdom is truly a unique experience for the entire family. There really is nothing like it in North America. We hope to see you soon.